Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, while addressing the media regarding a drone that entered Meghalaya from Bangladesh, assured that the state government is working closely with the Border Security Force and the central government to address the issue. The drone, which was detected in the Sora area, has raised concerns about the state's border security. However, he emphasized that the state and central governments are cooperating to prevent such incidents and ensure the safety and security of the people, and appealed the public not to worry.
From the state government, as far as the border issue is concerned, it is being looked after by the BSF, by the government of India. However, state government and the central government, we are closely working together. Be it those people trying to infiltrate or to come into Meghalaya, to India, or even the drone that recently has been detected that from Bangladesh, drones has even reached up to Cherrapunji. So these issues are always being closely discussed between the state government and the central government. So I'm very sure we are in a position to make sure that things is under control and nothing to worry about. We appeal to all the Indian people not to worry about whatever, and we are there. We are committed to make sure that our country is intact and our country is totally safe.
Education Minister Rakam